What is up, YouTube? It's been a while since I've posted anything. It's been a while since I've gone live. Um, how's everybody doing? Man, I hope you guys are doing great. So, trading has been tough for me. Had good days, had bad days, still fighting with psychology. Uh, Popped a few accounts, still working on some, fighting back. I feel like I'm starting to turn a corner, I hope. But trying to get that revenge trading under control. It's real hard, man. This is uh, and just to be honest, like right now, uh, it's hard not to feel like a failure. I feel like a failure because I feel, spending money on these prop firms. It's definitely tough. Um, so yeah, just feeling like a failure. Even though I'm doing well right now, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm up. I'm trying out Lucid's new Tradea. I like it. I would show you guys, but it's got my account information on there, and I don't want to put that out. Um, but yeah, I like the Tradea. It feels like TradingView. It feels pretty smooth. Um, I like it so far. I'm up 400. I'm gonna try to take one trade. This was me trading last night. Hit a couple good. I should have at open, I took a couple shorts and I should have held on to them through the night because man, it just melted throughout the night, and I definitely could have had my 50% profit goal and been halfway done with this eval. But you live, you learn. I try to just take the base hits and what the market gives me, and try not to get too greedy. Um, Real quick, there's a guy on TikTok. If you guys are traders and you ever watch anything on TikTok, there's a guy, RT Trades, yeah, RTR. Um, Man, he's awesome, awesome guy. If you're a new trader, he's really just an awesome guy. Uh, he talks about his trades and talks about a little bit of his strategies and how long he's been trading. Uh, really like the guy. So if you're ever on TikTok, check him out. It's RTR. Uh, yeah, check him out. It's a lot of fun. That's actually where I've been these last couple. I don't know if you guys can hear him in the background. I don't think so, but if you can, I'm sorry. Yeah, check him out on TikTok, RTR. I'm listening to him right now, but I wanted to go live because I haven't given any updates in a while. So um, this is actually the indicator that he uses on TradingView, and all it's called is PB Tula, and all it is pullback tool. Uh, very cool. Man, awesome guy. Real down to earth, and just overall awesome. So I'm still trading the Max way, still learning the strategies that Max has. I don't know if Max will ever see this, but Max, if you do see it, man, thank you for everything that you do for us. You're awesome. Uh, just overall great mentor. Max Options Trading, check him out on YouTube. Check him out. He has a free Discord. Yeah, so Max Options Trading, awesome guy. Shout out to Llama, Coach Izzy, and Javi, and even even though the CSO Logan, man, awesome guys. Everybody, all the MOT mods, you guys are amazing. Thank you for everything that you guys do. I don't know if you guys will ever see this, but if you do, you get a thumbs up from me. So again, in my trading journey, like I said, definitely ups and downs. Trading is hard. Um, and I'm sure if you're a trader watching this, um, what I'm talking about. The trading isn't hard. It's everything that comes with it. The emotions, the greed, the despair, the hoping, the praying, Trying to get that under control because a trade is a trade. You know, a trade has got to be a trade, whether you win or lose. You just have to look at it like that. But, all right, let's get into it. So, took a few trades here. I should have actually held on to this one, but because I pulled back so far on this one candle scared me. So as soon as I got in a profit, I just took the profit. Plus, I was up, and I didn't want to lose too much. I really shouldn't even trade this. Uh, I shouldn't even trade this account, but I do want to make one trade on it. So we've been dumping all night. So I don't know if you guys, there's a lot of war stuff going on. Um, first things first, thank you to our troops, man. God bless you guys. You guys are amazing. We appreciate everything that you do for us. So, yeah, if you guys know a veteran or an active military person, make sure you tell them thanks and that you love them and you wish them well and hope that they stay safe with everything going on. So, yeah, definitely a military supporter here. So, hope that doesn't. If that pisses you off, you know what? I'm sorry. It's my beliefs, and you are welcome to your beliefs. So, we'll just leave it at that. But yesterday was kind of a tough day. I had some decent trades, but had some bad ones too. Sorry, I'm looking away. I'm trying to clean up my chart a little bit over here. I don't really. So let's get rid of all these lines. These are just levels that I had. They're kind of old. Used them for yesterday throughout the night, and we just melted through most of them anyway. So tonight we're starting to get this curl here. I don't know if you can see it, but we did pull back to this overall big trend. Let me, oh, no, wrong one. Wrong one. All right, so we swept London lows. I am expecting us to go up and take Asia highs possibly, but so we swept these two London lows throughout the night. So I really do fully expect us to go up unless there's something back further. This is ES, by the way. This isn't NQ. I watch ES and NQ, so it gives me a little bit of confluence through them because they move pretty close. Um, so I don't see much back there that we need to sweep on ES. So I am expecting to push up because we just came down so hard. So I do expect to see somewhat of a pullback, especially if we start to turn right here. This could be a shift. If we make this, this could possibly be a higher low. So we will see for sure. But I mean, throughout the night, we just dumped. We dumped, and I'm sure it has a lot to do with what's going on, in the world. So, like I said, that's why if you guys know anybody that's a veteran or an active duty, make sure you thank them for everything because they sacrifice a lot for us. And again, if that pisses you off, man, I am sorry. I'm not asking you to believe in the same things that I believe in. You just do you. Uh, so be your own person, I'll be mine, and I support the military. So, but yeah, you can see we did pull back, hit this trend. So, on the 15 minute, so the 15 minute looks really good to keep going down. Uh, we pushed through this FEG. So I hope that we can get a bounce and maybe take out London and push up to Asia. But that's to be said. I will be looking for a flip if we sweep Asia, and if we get the sweep on ES as well. So uh, that is what I will be looking for. I just need to get some stuff set up here. Let's go to the 30. There we go. So this kind of gives me targets to the top and the bottom, you know, but I do think that if we pop up above this 236 here and we break this trend, I think if we pop up above this 236 with a good strong close, we definitely go to top side. I'd like to see, of course, if the 50 gets broke, that would be great. We're gonna have a lot of resistance right here though, because it'll probably be close to this 30-minute EMA right here. This is the 50 EMA on the 30-minute. So I've really enjoyed using Ron's indicator, this pullback tool. It's actually helped me out a lot. Kind of giving me better entries and better confluence on everything. Adding to my tools is what I'm trying to do. I didn't really understand EMAs. I knew what they were, but I didn't understand them, like what they held on the charts. But I am seeing it a little bit clearer now, so it's helping me out a lot. I'm enjoying it for sure. So we're getting across. Right now the 50's dropped below. I think this is the 200. I can't remember the colors. Let's see, VWAP is there. Yeah. So, of course, I don't have any viewers in right now. Um, you know, it is what it is. Sorry, I gotta check my phone real quick. So I'm gonna try to take one trade on my Lucid and call it a day, and then I'll swap to my Apex. So Apex had a lot of rule changes. They added some accounts, so they're doing away with the subscriptions. No more subscriptions for Apex. You get 30 days to pass, and then if you don't pass within that 30 days or you blow your account, you just buy another one. That's probably what a lot of people were doing on the 90% off deals anyway, instead of resetting, because resets were $50. So I think they smartened up and saw that, hey, let's just get rid of this subscription because people are just buying new accounts anyway whenever they're $20 a piece. So uh, and so it's setting up to go short again. If it does, it's not really looking good for my thoughts and my theory. But we're still getting rejection right here. I think this was previous day low. I want to say previous day lows. Mm. It has been shorting all night, guys. It's just been short after short after short, and we're breaking here. We could get a push. I might take this and see if we can get a push down. I'm gonna just jump into this real quick. Keep a decent stop loss right here. Oh no, and we get a big wick. If this wicks back down and goes red, I'm gonna get out of this because this thing. So this is a bad entry. It's gonna wake up and take me out more than likely. If it can get me anywhere close near my entry, I will get out of this. Unless it looks good, if it drops with force, I will stay in this thing. But at the moment, give it a little bit more room. But I was really looking for this to possibly make a new low. everything was looking pretty good. Yeah, see, this is. Oh wait. Okay, so I'm entered right here, right? And I'm sorry, you guys aren't seeing my actual chart and my entry, so I apologize for that. But like I said, I don't want to show anything just yet, but I will show you my entry. My entry's at 469, so we're out of so we're out of profit right here. As soon as I entered, it just wicked up, and I really need this to turn down right here, and with a strong push down. My stop loss is just above this candle right here, so uh, yeah. If it gets anywhere close to break even, I'll just get out of this trade with a small loss. And unless, like I said, if we get a violent wick down, I will stay in this trade and get out. But it's not looking like it wants to give me anything that I want. So you guys see that right now I'm in the red. I just need this thing to wick down big time right now. So let's see what ES is looking like. So ES is flipping. That's good. It just yeah. So if we get this pushed down, looks like it could be a 3 bar. Just need it to break that wick and continue down. There we go. There we go. Come on. I could put my stop if this. There we go. We're almost in profit. Come on. If this wicks back up and goes green, I'm getting out. But the DOM is going crazy right now, so it is fighting back and forth. Uh, I don't think it knows which way it wants to go just yet. So the DOM is going really, really crazy. Starting to speed up. We're starting to see a lot of movement. Man, it just does not want to go. Oh, I need this to flip. I need it to flip here, big time. If ES has broke that candle high, that previous candle high, if it goes up any higher, it's probably gonna. There we go. There we go. There we go. Huge push down. Huge push down. We need a continuation. Need a continuation here. Can't have this thing wick back up. Can't have this thing wick back up. No, 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 no. Don't push up. Come on. Flip, turn around, flip, turn around, flip, turn around. Need some rejection here, big time. There we go. ES is flipping red. Come on. And I'm going to get taken out for a big loss. I'm going to get taken out for a big loss, right? Unless we get a violent turn down, this is going to take me out right here. Come on. Flip around, flip around, flip around. And I'm out. Shit. So that took me out over $200. It's all right. You live, you learn. I should have got out of it when I said I was going to. See, that's trading for you. That is trading for you. So I like these double wicks on ES. These equal wicks right here. I like this. I like this. Uh, this could be a lower high. So the short is still looking good. I could enter here and it would be 10 points better than where my entry was, but ES is flipped. I'm going to jump into this just real quick. I'm expecting this to flip. There we go. We just need to push. ES just needs to break that candle low. No, we don't need that. I don't need that. I might get out of this trade. Yep, I'm just going to get out of that. So now I'm down to $6 in profit. so like I said, I'm still thinking we go up. Well, maybe I should be looking for longs here, but uh, I mean it's hard to trade against the trend. The trend has been down all night. We're about 30 minutes away from open, so we're bouncing off previous day low. Just can't break it. We did for a minute, and it wicked down so quick I couldn't get out of it. So I waited for it to continue down, and it didn't. Wicked all the way back up and took me out. So fairly new trader, been trading about a year. Uh, got a lot of green in me still. Not confident in some of the trades I take because I just take impulse trades and instead of like waiting for the setup. But I mean, the trend is your friend until it isn't. So right now I'm making every decision wrong. So okay, if we get a close above here on ES, I want to see this next candle pop. I could take this with a really tight stop loss right here, and then maybe catch what is that 20 points or something. That would be at 506, but it is not giving me what I want. So I like these trend breaks for real quick, and stop loss just goes underneath the next candle. So, but we've crossed the trend on on NQ, but we haven't on ES. We still got 7 seconds in this. want to see ES pop up right here. Oh, excuse me, sorry. So the trend is breaking down. If ES breaks this structure right here, I'll probably go short again just to see if we can test that low, test that wick. I'm gonna jump. See. Come on, ES, push through. Need ES to push through. ES is trying. I just need it to break down and come down and test this wick. That's what I really, really want to see. We're starting to break. Oh my gosh, what the hell? We break the structure and then just shoot. There we go. Let's see some continuation now. Break that low, and then continue down. Come on. If this wicks up and goes green, I'll just get out because this is not looking promising. There we go. There we go. Where is the follow through? Just push. There we go. Come on. Push. ES is breaking. Come on. Push down. Push down. Push down. Push down. It just doesn't want to close below that previous day low. It does not want to go below that previous day low. We need to see a huge push here or I will probably get out of this. There we go. There we go. Now we're seeing. ES is trying to hold the downside. Come on, go red, ES, go red. There we go. Now push down, push down. That's not good. this could wicked top me or tap me out. My stop loss is just right here. If it wicks up, it gets me. Yep, I'm out right there. Oh my god. It's chopping right now. It doesn't know what it wants to do. It's just fucking driving me crazy. This range is just fucking terrible right now. Like I it's wanting to break to the downside. It wants to break to the downside. It just is not giving it up right now. I don't know. Maybe I'll wait for another pullback and watch. It'll probably man, I don't know. I just don't know what's holding. I mean, the trend is what's holding it down, but it's really trying to curl and it has. It's almost gave it like a weird head and shoulders or a triple bottom, like this rounded triple bottom. Like there's a pop. I mean, see, as soon as it breaks that structure, that 50 is really, really strong. If it breaks that 50, I will take a long. But see, ES is just dragging ass though. That's what makes me think this could be an entry for a long. I mean, not a long. I mean a short. I really want to go short here. ES just looks so weak. I need to just quit trading this fucking range. Oh my gosh, what is? I really feel we're gonna push up. I really do. I feel the long is good. I just ES just has to get above this 50 and NQ is there. I mean, but to trade the range, you short at the top and long at the bottom, and it's just ranging. There's no breakout, and so to me, the long is looking better and better. I want to see a what the hell? It just closes after it taps these channels and EMAs and shit. It's so frustrating. So very frustrating. If you guys, anybody that's watching, or give me a like, give me a follow. Um, Let me know how I'm doing in the stream. Give me pointers. There's the breakdown that I wanted. And I missed it because I was playing on my damn phone. We still got see what this wick does. See if it breaks the low here on ES, we could see some crazy volatility and push. That is very possible. And back up into the range. Fuck range trading. So we're probably going to have a huge gap down on SPX. So it still looks good for the short, man. On the 15-minute, it just looks good. A lot of wicks down there, though. It's just so rangy right now. That 5-minute range is just stupid. And that's what it did right here before it broke to the upside. So we ranged for a couple candles, then continued up. So maybe the short will go. We just need it to range and continue down. I like how this fair value gap held. I might take a shot at a short again. The short is just hard to get away from at the moment. I mean, the fair value gap's holding. It's just not doing anything. It's just stagnant. It's a good thing I didn't get in. Look at that. That fair value. Oh my gosh, that fair value gap is just getting destroyed right now. So we're breaking to the upside. This is where you're supposed to go short. Short the top, long the bottom. That's how you play the chop, as Big Daddy Max likes to sing. So AQ's strong right now. ES is weak. We're closer to the bottom on ES. So if ES breaks this low, I am definitely going short on NQ because with the push low on ES, it should drag NQ down with it. But right now NQ is just really looking strong compared to ES. I mean, we really are still making higher lows. We just haven't made that lower low yet. We're still trying to break this. What is that? 759. See what I mean? And then NQ just pulls up, and so this would be a good entry, I think, up here if ES fails to break this candle structure. But we're fixing to see some influx of volume, especially like around 820, 825. You start to see. So we're coming up testing a trend that I have drawn out. Yep, we're testing this trend, and we're close to the 50 on ES. We still have yet to break this high over here. So so we're touching the 50 on ES. Let's see. I like the rejection on it right there. It wicked up, tapped it, and then we're touching. I really want to go short here. NQ's just strong. ES is trying to go. shit. I really want to go short here, but ES is not letting me. ES is going to test that 50. Now we're showing some relative weakness on NQ, and if ES rejects that 50, this could be the short signal that I want. Let's see just a little more to the downside. Man, NQ, now NQ's holding strong. It's just not moving. Now it's starting to pop with ES. Now it's starting to pop with ES. Now let's see what it does. And gold is down 3%, guys. It has melted. That's another thing I think uh, now I really am starting to like the long here. If this pops up, I'm going to take this long. Oh my God, I went in too many contracts. Way too many contracts. I need to get out of this. I'm getting out of that. I got in with, fuck, I accidentally got in with 15 contracts. I thought I had 5 marked. And I probably should have stayed in it because the push is going. And that's 822. And it's a trend break. Um, so this level right here, if we break through this level with force, I will probably take an entry. I could probably get an entry if we get a 3-bar setup here. So a 3-bar, I don't want to see this move very much. I want to see this candle stay about like that. And then the next candle we want to explode to the upside. Let's see. It would be about a 22-point stop loss for me. A little over 22 points. I really am liking this long. ES wicks up and stays green. I think this is a go. And then I will try to hold this into, I don't know. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait because 825 candle is usually really, really high volume. So I've never understood that. It must be something like early, I don't know, early market makers jumping in. Man, this 3-bar is looking so freaking pretty though. So pretty. And we're stalling right at that 236. See, it didn't. I wanted to see it break with some force. ES is holding strong though. ES is trying to hold strong. 22 seconds. I'm just going to wait because here comes the 825 candle. Let's see if we see any volume. Let's see if we see any volume. 825 and 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Nothing. So there was no volume on that candle. 825 disappointed me. 825 disappointed me. This could give me a confirmed lower high. We're above this structure. We're really above all this. So if this candle holds, this could be my signal for long. We got a short-term trend going. I like it. I like it. I like it. So we're not moving much. Not moving much at all. So this trend is gone. Need to get rid of this one. I really, really want to take a stab at this long. 27. I have to be at 507. I really want to go long. Morning show. Man, if you guys join into the Big Daddy Morning Show, his Discord's free. Jump in, take a look. They're awesome guys. Llama and Max, awesome guys. Big shout out to them. Uh, so yeah, definitely check them out. I really want to go long here. 14 seconds. I'm just gonna take a quick stab at it. All right, took quick profit there. Wow, we're just really not. We're testing this trend here. If we break this trend, I'll go long again. So I'm up pretty big right here. Don't know exactly what happened there. Like I have no idea. But I got out with I'm at 168 profit. I really want to take another long. So there was a little bit of lag in this trade SIA on the open because there was so much volume. So that's kind of concerning. Um, let's just see what happens right here. I think if 70 doesn't hold, I think the short is going to have to go. 70 has to hold, and this. So SPX is broken midline, NQ is not. 'm gonna jump into the short. So I got a pretty decent feel there. I don't want to see this wick up at all. I want to try to catch all the way back down to the bottom. I'm getting out 2 contracts, one more contract. I've got 2 running, going break even, moving my TP down, taking my TP completely off. I'm completely in. I'm gonna put it. I'm, I'm gonna let this run. I'm letting this run. Letting this run. Going candle to candle. Secured 137 in profit on these two. I want to see this. I don't want to see this wick up. If this wicks up, it could take me out. I want to see this print below. It's got to print below for it to go further. If not, I'll just get out. If it wicks up and takes me out, I've got 138 in profit. I, 18 seconds left is a long time. Okay, I'm out. Fully out. 384 on that. Okay, one and done. Get the fuck off of this one. All right, so guys, if you have rules like that, make sure that you stick to them. One and done. Get off of your accounts. So, all right, I'm gonna have to change this stream up. Wealth charts. Logging over to my wealth charts. All right, swapping over to my Apex. All right, all right. All right. So I've got to move some stuff. All right. So if SPX makes a new high, I'm definitely going long. Need to get this set up. 5 con strat. Close. Close. So I'm just in with 5, risking 200. Want to see this pop up. There's a pump. There's a pump. Need to see this push. If ES, if SPX makes a new high here, I think this could go. But come on, give me the push. All right, took some profit there. Out. Did I take any profit? No, I did not. No. So I may go short here if this candle closes, creating a small FEG. Let's see it come up and maybe test this. Problem is we've got an FEG here as well. We're testing midline on SPX. If it breaks through midline, I'm definitely going short. Yep, going short here. Oh my gosh, this wick action is fucking ridiculous. Oh my gosh, the wicks are just fucking ridiculous right now. We need continuation. We gotta have continuation on this shit. Jesus. I'm not getting any follow through on these candles. Alright, so we left a gap here on SPX. So where are we? We're 3 minutes away from orb. So this is a tap on this 236. Possible flip here because get rid of this. So I need to get a trend line drawn here because we are possibly going to see a flip at some point. If this flips, NQ could explode to the top. ES gonna push lower here. I want to see this flip. I want to see this flip. I really want to see this flip and come up and take this. NQ is really wanting to flip. I need to see I need to see SPX take 58. That 236 level is really strong though. It's really holding. Oh wow, finally NQ breaks. Finally NQ breaks. Now we're probably going to see a huge push. I really expect it to flip here pretty soon and try to come up and take this gap out. Okay, we're getting a break of orb. If SPX breaks back into orb, I will go long. Yeah, I mean, I'm a millennial, so I obviously had a binder full of Pokemon cards. That first generation. You guys hear me? Oh yeah, no, no. My mom. I'm going long here. When I was like. Huge. I'm up huge. My neighbor's probably rolling it right now. I'm all out right there. That was a quick micro. So I'm up 492 for the day. Yep, that's a good trade. 492. Nice. Nice. That was a good trade. Let's see. And I was only targeting 20 points, so it took my 20 points really quick. And this is going to continue up. We're on fire, you know. It's kind of crazy to see. And look, SPX is coming up to take that gap. I with it leaving a gap below. So like, let's see. If it fills this gap, I don't know because midline is there. It could hit midline and then turn back and try to take out this. And we're breaking midline on NQ. NQ is breaking midline. This is gonna just rocket to the top, I think. Do we pull back, take out this whip, this gap to reverse? Okay, it's taking out that gap. Do we continue down or do we flip here? Does it? This could be a lower high, and it's going. It's going. Here, coming up on this 236. Let's see what happens. If it bounces off of here, in SPX could be headed back up to take out this wick or this gap. I mean, I hate pointing out patterns, but it's like pretty good head and shoulders. If SPX breaks orb, I'm gonna go short. We're real close to orb on NQ. I really want to take this short. We're breaking outside. We're breaking outside of orb on SPX. Okay, we were bouncing off of it now. Let's see what happens. I really want to see it take this low. If it takes this low with a good break, I will jump in short. But if it keeps rejecting here, I, I might go long. All right, we broke orb and we're breaking the 200 on it. Let's see what happens here. Come on, give me a retest. Do we hold? I'm going to jump right there just to see. I'm going to take that right there. So that was a quick 100 and what, 60 bucks. Up 629 for the day. That's a good fucking day. Two trades, really supposed to be one and done, but these are evals. These are not funded accounts. Stick to your rules. I didn't, but I'm up on both of my accounts today. I do have one eval I could try to trade, but it's only got a $25 drawdown, so we could give it a shot. I mean, so how do I swap accounts? Oh, I think I know. I think yeah, right here. All right, so swap into my account. I'm just gonna trade one because it's only got a 25, 25. So I'm not gonna do no strategy. We'll close. All right, so we've rejected orb on. Oh wow. If we break back into orb on SPX, I'm definitely going long. Yep, I'm just gonna go long. See what happens. If it's gonna look. Yep, just liquidated me that quick on a wick down. So yeah, and that was with one micro. So no big deal. On to the next account. So uh, I'm done for the day. That was a quick session. So 629 on the Apex and shit. What was I on the Lucid? I forgot. Let's check real quick. Okay, so it hadn't updated yet. I have to go to Trade SIA. Let's see. So good day. Uh, yeah, up 384 on the Lucid. So good day. So we're rejecting orb on SPX. Could we see a pull down from here on NQ? We printed inside of orb. If SPX breaks the structure here, this could get really crazy to the downside. All right, I am out for the day, guys. I got into a stupid ass trade right there and saw a lot of drawdown. I'm still 400 up for the day, so uh, stick to your fucking rules, guys. I know everybody wants to hurry and get through these evals. Everybody wants to make money. Uh, it's a marathon, guys. It's not a sprint. Take the base hits. 400 a day. If you can't survive on that, you're stupid. Uh, and that's my problem. I'm fucking stupid at times. I like to gamble. Um, so I think I'm finally getting tired of my own shit. I'm sick of disappointing my wife. I want to make her proud. I want to give her what she deserves, which is everything in the world. So that's why I want to learn to do this. Of course, I want to do it because I want to make it my revenue stream, maybe sometime down the road. But it's really all for her, and yeah. So, uh, hell, I'll even show you guys. I don't know. So I've got her. This is this is my why, and I need to start paying attention to that. I need to live by that and start making her proud and just yeah, quit being a fucking degenerate. I can't help it. I love to trade. It's fun. It's exciting. Seeing what you could do. Um, man, if I can learn how to trade, anybody can do this. You guys, the trading is not hard. It's managing yourself is what's hard. So if you're a trader out there and you're having trouble, man, leave a comment. Let me know. Uh, I'd love to hear about it. I definitely, trading is lonely if you don't have a community. So, uh, yeah, I'm signing out for the night. I worked last night, so I got to go to bed. Get ready for my day. And if SPX makes a new low here, I think it's gonna melt. So let's hang around just to see. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna take a paper trade just because it's a paper trade. And like I said, I'm a degenerate. I'm a degenerate. So let's take the paper trade. We're gonna sell right there. Sell. I hope I'm not in. I'm pretty sure this is paper trading, but we'll see. Yeah, it's paper trading. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Do we come down here and test the lows? SPX is dumping here, so we could definitely see some low breaks for sure. Uh, let's just check this. Let's check to see how this trade goes out. I like need to see SPX definitely. If SPX flips and then takes this low, yeah, we're definitely going to the bottom. But we're coming down here to this previous day low, which is a big level. So let's see. Ooh, ugly, ugly, ugly wick or ugly candle on SPX. Do we come back up to test orb? We're testing orb on NQ. So if orb in or NQ orb holds, this is golden. If it doesn't, we could be cooked in our paper trade. So, but this is a pretty deep shoulder. I don't think it would come back up after making a new low. This structure should hold. We just need to see SPX flip here, and it's not. Oh, big, big fucking candle. Big spike. And for some reason, it is not taking me out. Guys, this is crazy. The volatility we see. If you trade the NQ, man, during New York, you guys are fucking soldiers because this instrument is not for the faint of heart. It'll definitely break your heart at times if you're on the wrong side of it. So take the base hits, get your one and done, be happy with what you can make. Uh, yeah, just be happy.